This is a really sad day. A day that I never thought would have to come. This video is gonna suck. It freaking sucks. I can't think about a freaking button right now. So I'm just gonna get right into it. I have to find you something that you can actually kind of see. Here we go. On any cosmetic product, whether it's hair care products, face stuff, whatever, there's gonna be this little symbol, and I know it's backwards, I don't care. This little guy, this little container with a number and an M. It sucks because when you open this product, when you take it out of its nice little box and plastic covering and everything, the timer begins for when this product is no longer usable. Every product has this on there, and they're all different numbers. So this one is 6 months. So 6 months after I opened this and started using it, I was supposed to get rid of it. Be done with it, no more. Guess how long I've had it? 5 years? About 5 years? No more. Anything that has a tube like this inside here, mold and bacteria and all kinds of stuff can be growing in here. These, same thing. Mold, bacteria, grossness can be just hiding in there and you don't even know it. So once you open it, the hourglass has started. The time is running out. It's dying. You can't keep it forever. You have to pay attention to when you open it. Mark your calendar for when you gotta throw this little guy away. So, with that being said, unless you use an obnoxious amount of eyeshadow every day, I highly, highly, highly advise against buying any palettes bigger than this because you're not going to use it. I mean, you can see which ones I've used a lot of. Trash. Ones like this that are all full of the pretty colors, if you're not realistically going to use this within 12 months, which, let's be honest, most people do not use all of this throughout the year, trash. It's a waste of money, it's dumb, and nobody tells you. And it sucks because if you buy all these things or you allow people to buy you these things as gifts, eventually their money's going right into the trash. Not fun. The creators of all this makeup know that this stuff expires. They know that you're not going to use all of it. They know that it's gonna get wasted and you're gonna buy it again. Most people are not makeup artists. They're not going to use these eyeshadow palettes to their full extent. Like mascaras, there's like a 3-month rule I didn't even know about. They say 6 months on there, but they say after 3 months toss it because the risk of you having mold or something in there is so high and you could end up giving yourself eye infections. Have you ever woken up and like your eye hurts for no reason? It could be because of your makeup. Who knows? And I'm pretty angry with makeup in general right now. I'm not a fan.
Let's get that emotion out of there.
Why is my face dry now when I've been doing the same thing all year? Oh, well, because the makeup you're using has expired and it's eating away your flesh without you realizing it. I don't know what to tell you. You want to see how much trash I have right now? This is all makeup. This is all expired makeup. So, full disclosure, I've known about the dates, okay? Let's just get that out there. I've known. I didn't know that it wasn't just the product wasn't gonna work as well and that it could be growing mold or anything like that. So whenever I use makeup on other people, and this is why my palettes have like chunks taken out, is, for instance, this one. There's large like chunks taken out. But that's because when I got this, I was using it on other people. So I would scrape it out, put it on my little metal palette, use it, whatever. When I reached the date on when this was expired, when this date pops up, when it's no longer good and it's expired, it gets transferred from my professional kit over to my personal kit, and all guidelines go out the window, and I will use my personal brushes and just go in there and use it and not care about double dipping, because at that point it's just for me and nobody else's face or brushes or anything else has touched it. So that's why there's big gaps out of it. I didn't know that that's still no good. That sucks. Right now, what I really think you should do is go into your makeup bag, your makeup drawer, your makeup box, wherever you keep your makeup. And I think you have to have this little depressive moment like I'm having right now, and anything that you know you've had, and you know when you buy stuff, anything that's past the time, get rid of it. And then, looking forward, do not buy more than you need. If you want to buy stuff that's cute or a fun little color, look for things in travel sizes. Like this little guy. Get stuff that's small, that is cheaper, it's not going to be wasted, the chances of you using it all is a lot higher, and just steer clear of the massive palettes that all these beauty bloggers and YouTube influencers and everybody and their mother is trying to get you to buy, because it's stupid. It's a waste of your money, and you work too hard for that money to just throw it in the trash. You know, you can get red, yellow, and blue, your primary colors, and make every other color. Like, legit, every color is made with red, yellow, and blue. If you want to buy the bigger palettes anyways, by all means, don't let me stop you. I'm just trying to share this information with you so that you can be safe and know that those little dates on there really do matter. And maybe you haven't had a problem yet. Maybe you're lucky like me. I haven't had a problem, but I'm now knowing that there could be mold in there. I'm not willing to risk my own health and safety, let alone anybody else's. So I'm going to be extra vigilant on making sure that my professional kit is always up to date, and I will have a running list that I will hand write every time I get a new product and open it. I'll write the date that I open it and the date that it expires so that I don't ever have a slip up. This video, above any of my other videos so far, I feel like it's really important to share, like, subscribe, all that stuff, because actually really just share this information. The makeup needs to go. It needs to go in the trash. Share this video. Trash.